Namaste everyone, how are you? I know everybody is getting ready to thank so many people who are making our lives very comfortable, particularly the health department, the paramedics, the doctors, the nurses, the civic workers, and the drivers, and ambulance people, and everyone who is trying to start a war against Corona 19. Particularly grateful to the central government, to all the state governments, and who are walking on one rope, forgetting about caste, creed, languages, politics, to fight against our one and only enemy now, Corona 19. Thanks for heeding to our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji's request. Around 5 o'clock, we all have to express our gratitude to all these people who are helping the common man, the common people to be healthy actually, and to all those who have cooperated to be inside their homes for one day on self-quarantine from today morning from 9 o'clock till 9 o'clock. And don't think the war is over. Don't think the fight is over. We have to keep ourselves hygiene, and every doctor and everybody had been sharing a lot of things in the social media, what to do and what not to do. Let us heed to that. And don't ever think that because I am young, I don't get this age. It's only for the people who are above 55 or 60 or 70. Not necessarily. Now everybody knows the science, because for the past 2 weeks the entire world is sharing about how this corona propagates itself and how everybody is affected because of this, and what everyone is supposed to do. There are a lot of people who are sacrificing a lot of things actually. Think of the daily wages people. And everybody thinks that because we are not going to office and we are losing our wages, government has assured that their wages will not be cut. And the people on particularly pharmacies, which are all working very hard around the clock to get the medication, whatever is necessary for all of us. And the sacrifice will not go futile. It will not go futile. And when we reach the goal of containing this disease, you all will feel very, very happy, as if you have done something, you have attained something, you have reached the goal. That is what the main aim is now.
You want to see the people who are logging in?
Yes, I would like to. Venkatachalam, Shravan, and Shashiharan, Pradyotan. Thank you all for taking your time. Ganesh Ramaswamy. And like me, so many people are there talking to and saying that we are all under one roof. World is one roof now. World is under one roof. World is one umbrella. We are all there, and we are all fighting for a common cause. Thank you all. What else can I say? This unity should prevail in us, not only for Corona's sake, for whenever there is a calamity, whenever there is a happiness to share, we all should be together. That is what we learned now because of Corona. Thank you, Corona. And we will shun you out of the world very soon. We are very confident about that one. Once again, let us all thank Modi ji, who brought everyone under one umbrella, and they are doing their best to help the country, and through the country, the world, and it is a fantastic feeling actually. Fantastic feeling. Here, my family is here. That's my son Charan, and my wife is sitting next to me. Namaskar. Namaste. Namaskar. And all my pets are here. Watch. They know something good is happening. That's why they are all here thanking as I said, to all those who have been working very hard to keep us healthy. And don't forget the people at the border. They are the real heroes, actually. They have to fight with the other enemy. But here, all these people, this medical fraternity, police department, drivers, and pharmacists, pharmaceutical companies who are trying very, very, very hard to find out some potion for this corona. So these are all now like military forces. They are all fighting together. Let us thank them all. Such wonderful, wonderful contribution from every aspect of our country, and it should be the same all over the world too. And thank you for you all. Now I see hundreds of names coming here. Ramya, Raveen, Shivaram, so many people are coming to join me to express their gratitude and thanks. And Mathumita, SP Abhishek, hey, how are you? Thank you for being with us. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patit Pavan Sita Ram Ishwar Allah Tero Naam Ishwar Allah Tero Naam Sabko Sanmati De Bhagwan Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patit Pavan Sita Ram Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakit Yamini Phul Kusumita Drumadala Shobhini Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini Sujalam Suphalam Mataram Sukhadam Varadam Mataram Sukh Vardayani हमारी माता मातृभूमि है. We want the bhumi to be again Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakite Yamini Pulla Kusumita Druma Dala Shobhini Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini Vande Mataram. How proud we are to be Indians. How proud we are to be under one umbrella today. And let it be always, always, always. Let us all work hard together for ourselves, for the common man, for the people. Till 5 more minutes or so. Let us start. We can as well start the sound now. Thank you all. Now listen, everywhere, everyone is making some noise, some sound. I can listen from miles to miles. You all for being with me. I once again thank Modi ji, all our federal government chiefs, the health care department, doctors, nurses, drivers, ambulance drivers, everyone, police department, civic department, everyone. Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. All the world is one. Let us all strive for the health of the entire world. Vasudhaiva Kutumbam, that is the motto. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Jai Hind, I will say. Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Bharat.
Jai Bharat.